In this video, we are going to see how we can update the Roblox on PC or laptop. So if you want to update your Roblox player because it's getting any problem, what you can do is just exit out of the app and click on leave the game first, and then we click escape and we basically close the application altogether. Make sure it is not loaded in the tray as well. Then what we need to do is just open up the start menu and right here Roblox. So if your Roblox version is Roblox player and it shows you the open file location option, that means you're using the Windows version or desktop version. Otherwise, if you're using the Xbox version, so in that case, if you write Roblox here and you basically get the app settings option, that means you're using either the Xbox version or the Microsoft Store version. Now, if you are using the Xbox version, what you need to do is right here Xbox. It will open up the app. You need to log in. We need to sign in with the Microsoft account, which I already did. Now from here, what you do is to head over to the My Library section on the left hand side. So in the games, if you see the update version or update option, when you click on it, you just click on update, or otherwise just click on three dots and click on manage. Or you can check the details from here, and there you will get somewhere the option of check for updates. You update it from here and it will be done. Now let's move to the desktop version, which is used by most of the people here. So for the desktop version, what we'll do is just open up the start menu right here, Roblox, and it will show up like Roblox player. So we click on run as administrator, and if any update is available, what Roblox will do is it will start updating automatically and then launch the application. But if not, and what you do is just open up the start menu, head over to the settings, click on apps and then choose install apps, and from here we search for Roblox. Here you might get this update or modify option here, but if not, you will just simply uninstall this and it will uninstall for you immediately. Don't worry, you will get the settings and everything very quickly on Roblox. What you have to do is just head over to the Roblox, sign in with your favorite browser, and just try to play any game. So for example, this is the game. Make sure it doesn't require any grades. Okay, so we will use please donate in the games. And we can simply see a play button here. We click on the play button and it will show you the Roblox is downloading, getting ready. If it doesn't found it on the PC, like in this case, we have uninstalled that, it will directly show us the download link to download a fresh copy and the latest copy of Roblox. So what we do is, once it is downloaded, we'll start installing it. Just click on it. It will process a little bit, and it will directly start installing. It is not like a regular installer which asks you to click next multiple times. And immediately you will be logged in directly into the application. You don't even need to mention your credentials if you're already or were already using this application. So that's how you can update Roblox quickly on your PC or laptop. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.